Dear parents, we feel for you. We feel for you hard. So, here comes this is to the parents that homeschool their kids. We love homeschooling, but here's for you. This tequila is for you. And for us. Give it thing. Salud. Stay strong.
Okay, dude. Do you know what month it is? Christmas? Nope. Guess again. Will people save world hunger? Wrong! It's back to school.
Okay.
Are you in?
Yeah, but it says like choose the security questions that will work
Arts
for you.
and science, social studies, like.
No, I'm gonna do language arts, social studies, math, science.
Okay.
Like in my own school.
Mom, I want to do how I did it last year as well.
Okay. That's how the computer assigned it, right?
So you gotta be number 2.
I'm gonna be
Number dos.
I'm the old one.
So, Feldman, Barfield, what's his name?
I don't know, but you have to come up with an answer that you're gonna remember and not thinking what its name.
Okay.
Where there's sunshine, there is rain. Where there are faces, there is pain. Lift the sky, go further, push through the edge. We know how to be a hot mess. We know how to be a hot mess, hot mess. All the places we have crashed. And we know how to run de-stress. We know how to be a mess.
Good morning. This is our first day of homeschool, and the emotions are running high. Kids are excited, a little bit scared. They don't know how it works. So right now they are actually watching videos on how to do your online classes. We'll see how it goes. We'll keep you posted.
First day of school. Well, it was the first day of school today.
Mm-hmm.
And the entire day I just did biology. And I expected me to do biology and like, I don't know, reading or something.
Mm-hmm.
But biology took a lot of work. The first lesson was okay. I mean, it was quick. Second lesson had 4 pages of just typing, just filling blanks and stuff. And just most of it was stuff I forgot and new things. And really long words.
Mm-hmm.
And then that took like 2.5 hours, just 4 pages. And then I took a quiz at the end, and then I got 100. So
yeah. Yeah. And it feels what? It feels good or no? It feels better than a regular school?
yes, it does.
It does? Why?
Because you're actually learning stuff, and you're not wasting your time.
Really?
I mean,
Do you really think that the school
well, you're wasting a lot of time in school, and here you're sort of not okay. So you're learning things, but then you also have to type them down. And like in the second lesson, and like there are 3 questions that are almost exactly the same as one in like a previous question, like 2 questions earlier. And I was sitting there confused because I thought it was either a trick question or there was a mistake. Then probably was a mistake because the last question for the second one was, what is important about DNA and RNA? And then 2 questions earlier, what is important about RNA?
No, right. What's right?
It was just weird, but yeah, I got it done.
Maybe a reinforcement of of your knowledge. Is that what it is? Maybe.
No, it's already reinforcement for already typing it all down.
Okay.
Just read it then you type it.
Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah. And now my computer has a bunch of folders. School this, school that.
No, good. So you enjoyed the experience.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Which grade is he going? What is he doing? This is a 7th, 8th?
This is a high school honors class.
This is a high school honors? Oh boy. Okay, so now we go back to.
I'm just gonna talk about homeschooling. Today, it was amazing. Honestly, I really loved it. I just finished a project for my school today. It was about my weekend. What is that? Oh. It was about my weekend, and I wrote about it, and it was fun. It was a lot of welcome videos today. A lot. And then I had to do a scavenger hunt. It was a scavenger hunt through videos, those welcome ones. Then I had to answer questions about them. So that was fun, I guess. That took up like 2 hours because I had to watch all of them and then do other stuff and then finish the quiz. It was like true or false and stuff, but still. Yeah. Still. It was kind of easy, but kind of hard because I had to go through like one video 10 times to find the answer. It's cool. So yeah. But then it was a lot of welcome videos, and I got to finish a project on my first day, so I'm really proud of myself. And I feel like tomorrow is going to be an amazing day. Like, it's just going to be amazing. Just amazing. Like, it's just going to be amazing. Like, really amazing. Really, really, really amazing. 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 It's gonna be amazing. So yeah. But yeah. A lot of people, like, people from my school, when I told them I'm gonna be homeschooled, because we used to be in a school last year. Yeah. But when I told them I'm gonna be homeschooled, they're like, oh, aren't you going to be lonely? There's going to be no one to talk to, blah, blah, blah. Although I don't have classmates. Blech. Although I don't have classmates, it's actually really fun because, like, I have company right next to me. Because I have my brother who works right next to me. And then my mom who works right next to us in her little office. Yeah, she, like, there's a lot of company, and it's not, like, lonely or anything. I don't feel the need to have any friends. There's no more distractions. I used to be, like, distracted by my friends, actually. Like, we were, like, talking about stuff, and I didn't get my work done. But here, I got a whole project done in a day, maybe in an hour. That was due on Friday. Yeah. So, it's due on Friday, but I turned it in today. And then the scavenger hunt was for a grade. I don't know what I got. Mom, what did I get for the scavenger hunt?
I don't know yet.
Oh, I want to know. I either got 1 or 2 questions wrong. I'm, like, kind of confused about 2 questions, but I might get them right. Yeah. But it's fun, and also a lot of people ask me, but, like, how about lunch breaks and blah, blah, blah. Homeschooling is actually way more convenient. You could take as many lunch breaks as you want. Like, I could take 20 lunch breaks in a day. Yeah. And I could do recess, like, so there's this, like, planner thing that they give you. It's on the computer, like, you have to write it down. And not type it. You have to type it. And then it saves. So, like, it's like a daily thing that you have to, like, follow your curriculum that you made for yourself. And honestly, I have a lot of recess times. At my old school, we used to only have 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes of recess. And now I have, like, an hour for recess, just, like, to play around and take a break before my classes. So yeah. And I have 4 periods. The way it works is there's language arts, social studies, math, and science. That's what we used to do in my old school. So yeah, I just feel more used to that, and I don't really like math. I honestly hate math. And that's why I chose math to be before science, because science, I'm learning 5th grade science, but last year I also did learn 5th grade science because our teacher and all the other teachers, they don't want to have so for math, they had groups, like 4th grade and 5th grade. But now, and for science, they didn't want to have those groups because they had to meet with 4th grade, then learn that, then 5th grade, then learn that. So they decided just to bulge everything in one thing, and last year we learned 5th grade. So yeah, I know 5th grade science, so it's not going to be that hard for me, hopefully. Yeah. Hopefully it's not actually that hard. I don't want it to be hard that I learned it last year. I mean, I'm not that good at science, so it may be a little hard. But yeah, and then lunch breaks, I have amazing lunch breaks. I didn't have lunch yet though, and it's it's almost 6 o'clock, and I didn't have lunch or dinner. I only had a light breakfast. I don't know how it's holding me up. I'm starving right now. I'm completely starving. I mean, I didn't really want to take a lunch break today. I wasn't, because we woke up really early. I mean late. Yeah, we woke up really late at 11. Mom, what time did we wake up this morning? 11? Yeah, we woke up at 11. Deep sleepers. And so yeah, my mom got an email today that today we start school. My teacher's name is Miss Thomas. So yeah, she seems really nice. We emailed each other 3 times today. It was mostly about work, but we emailed. Yeah, that was cool. And it was fun, and I'm excited, and it's way better than going to actual school. I'm not getting distracted by my friends now that I really don't have any to distract me. I'm not getting distracted, and it's way more fun because I get to basically choose my day. For my learning groups, tomorrow I have a learning group, and that's it for the rest of the week. Only one day. Yeah. One day. One day. Okay. Okay, let's yeah, there you go. There we go. So yeah, I really like homeschooling. It's very fun. Very, very, very fun. And I recommend it. If you're thinking about homeschooling, don't think about it, do it. It's amazing. And while we're traveling, so yeah, that's why we have to do homeschooling. And it's so much better because I don't have to take back where I used to live. It was in Florida, and we would take the Florida Standard Assessment. It would be the FSA, Florida Standard Assessment. Yeah. And now we don't have to take those end of year standard assessments, tests, whatever. We don't have to take
I'm part
them.
of this educational thing. I'm part of a fun thing. And I'm just a dad. So I'm just like a third child. Anyway, so I would like to hear what Polly has to say, because was a little bit stressed out for it being the first day of school and homeschooling and and computers and all that stuff. Please tell us.
So, for me, it was a little bit stressful because I didn't know what to expect, and we couldn't get into their system earlier than our first day of school because the teachers got assigned only today in the morning. So there was a lot of emails going from the teachers for Daniel's classes and a teacher for Dar, and I had to read through the emails and figured out the welcome videos and how the system works and where to get the assignments and how to upload the work and where to get the grades and basically get accustomed to it. It took us a couple of hours to do that, figured everything out, but we did it. And Daniel completed the class. Daria did her assignments. And I'm really excited for tomorrow. We still have to make phone calls with the teachers. It's welcome calls where they're gonna explain how everything works, what their expectations are, and basically then we go on our own.
That's it.
Yeah.
And now, is this the first time experiencing it? So we're gonna, I guess, make a couple of videos regarding the homeschooling thing.
School.
Yeah, school and how school works and everything else as a full-time family, but full-time traveling family. So
There's a full-time family.
There's a full-time family. They live in a stationary and in a campground. We are actually traveling. So every 2 weeks we move. So we gotta make a couple of those videos so that way it's gonna help all the fellow YouTubers or fellow people, fellow homeschoolers or future homeschoolers or wannabe homeschoolers or thinking about homeschooling.
That's
or
gonna be homeschooled.
how to yeah
Don't want
how,
to be homeschooled.
or don't want to be homeschooled, but they want to be homeschooled, right, Danny?
I do. People don't.
Yeah, I
Okay.
do.
Okay, so yeah, so kids have a positive experience, and me too. I have a very positive experience. I didn't hear screaming today, so here's a goal for you. Goodbye.